You're gonna make Roblox? Or you're gonna adopt me?
Yeah.
Hey you guys, what's up? It's Michaela, and in this video, we're going to be reacting to some super cool, epic build hacks. So I have a friend in Adopt Me, and she's been working on this build hack for like ages now, like maybe like a week now, and it's been taking her a long time. So we're going to be reacting to it on my channel. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe down below and also turn on post notifications. Also, guys, don't forget to go subscribe to my main channel called It's Me Kayla, linked in the description. So you guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. So we just loaded in. I don't know if we're in her server or not. Okay, yes, we are. Here she is. We're gonna say hi because why not? Because you guys, she is a super cool build hack. So let's start from the beginning. We're gonna say I'm filming. Let's begin. Okay, guys. So let's go ahead. I really haven't toured it a lot, like the full place. Okay, so we're gonna start off from outside. It is so cool. Wow, you guys. I don't know, y'all. It is insane, you guys. It's a super cool build hack, and I have the same exact house she has. And, like, I don't even know if I can build it this way. Okay, guys, so first we're going to start at the door, and we're going to, of course, go in. And I didn't even notice this when I first went in. I didn't. It's amazing, you guys. It's so epic. Like, I first noticed the chandelier whenever I came in. It's so cool, you guys. I love it. I really do like her house. I feel like she works so hard on this. So, guys, look at this, like, nice chandelier. Look at that, you guys. That's amazing. That's just beautiful. And then we have this super nice soft couch here. Like, it's so cute. And a backpack and like a little hanger and this super cute cloud chair. And my favorite part of this like kind of part would either be the chandelier or the door right here, you guys. This is super cool. So like, look at this, you guys. Like, this is so cool, you guys. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. And it like kind of looks like outside because of this. This looks amazing. I wonder if I could like do this myself. This is so cool. Because I have this exact same house. Then her bathroom just threw me off. You guys, look at this. I feel like there's like smoke. The little like the smoke blowers or whatever they're called under here. And then this is so cool, you guys. This is amazing. Like, yo, look at this. This is so cool. Like in a nice bathtub. That is so cool, you guys. And then over here we have a nice toilet, which is super cool. I love this toilet. This is one of the most expensive toilets in the game. And then over here is the nice sink. Oh, this is so cool. I love how you have to walk up to it. And I don't know how she did this. I don't know if this was a build hack or not. But there's like water coming out of the sink. There's like water coming out of the sink. That's so cool. That is amazing. I really do like the little bottles on the toilet. And my favorite would probably be the sink because the water is coming out. And that is so cool. Okay, let's move on. I love how it says dream right here. But let's move on. I think it says welcome. It's super bright. You guys, this kitchen is amazing. Look at this piano. Oh my gosh. And there's like a mic right here. This is so cool, you guys. This is amazing. You guys, look at this. This is so cool. I need this in my house. I need this. Wow, look at this, you guys. Look at all those chairs. And then I love this little placement mats. And the cups, those are so cute. I love this. I also really do love the music. So over here is so cute. There's a whole bunch of different tea sets. We have coffee. And we have some tea. I don't know. I think that one's Jack. I don't know what type of tea this is, but this looks so good, you guys. Look at that. That looks amazing. And then we have this tea. I don't know what tea this is. I don't really like have tea. It's like, y'all, like, this is amazing. Like, drinks, that is so cute. And then this tea, I don't know what this tea is either. I don't really know any of the teas. But this is so cute, you guys. I love this build hack. Like, I'm in love with it. Then, you guys, we have these yummy, yummy donuts. Those look delicious. Oh, wait, forgot to bake it. But, y'all, like, the baking is, like, inserted in there. Y'all. That's insane. Wow. I do love this. I think it's like kind of like a window. And these tables. And that penguin's adorable. You guys, look at this. Like the pizza place. And then a pet corner. You can put your pets to sleep here, and you can also put your pets to drink. I have this in my house. I do have this in my house. It was actually really hard. But I do not have this or that. This is insane. This is amazing. This is amazing, you guys. So cool. Wow, I just love her house. Like, we were just at the campsite. She said, coming over to my house. I'm like, I don't really have time. She's a super cool hack where you can, like, grab water. I have heard of that hack. I just don't have it in my house, but I've heard of it. Look at this, you guys. This is so cool. I can't believe she built all of this herself. Okay, let's move on, you guys. But I love the kitchen so much. Oh my god, you guys, I'm actually kind of nervous to go upstairs. I think we're going to check out that place later because it looks so good, and I just want to, like, save it for last. It's amazing. The art gallery. Okay, I cannot do this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Do you guys see that? Look at those. That is so cute. Look, I'm pretty sure she used like water bowls for that. And the big like heart maps for that. And this is an albino monkey. She literally made an albino monkey on her wall. With build hacks. Look at this cute bunny. This is insane. Oh my god. No way. Wow. This is so cool, you guys. Oh my god, it actually kind of like feels like I'm gonna like jump off, but it's just like mirror. And this is like a pirate fun house. Okay, I can't fit in here. I think I'm gonna have to turn to a baby friend when I review this. This is so cute. You guys, that is adorable. Kaden, I'm trying to film a video. I'm unsubscribing because nobody did this to you with your video. Okay. You guys were up. Oh my god, this is so cute. It's like a pirate ship. Okay, wow, this is amazing. It is amazing, you guys. I love it so much. And then over here is like some like, it's like a pink world. You guys, I wonder if I could like get up there because I want to see what's up there. Let's get on like a fly pet or something. Let's see. I don't know what fly pet to use. I want a fly pet that's not too big. Let's just use my let's see. Let's just use my giraffe, I guess. Oopsie, not feed. Fly. But y'all, that is cute. Wow, it's like a bed up here. It's a bed up here, you guys. I do know this build hack, but I don't like put it in a playroom. That is so cool. Let's turn back into an adult. I just love this place. You guys, I'm super nervous about here. Let's see what we see. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Do you guys see that? A computer area? Like a lounge? This is so cool. I do not know how she did this. Her and her pet can like sleep next to each other. That is so cute. Wow. I love this place. It's amazing. But you guys, last but not least, we're going to go check out the pool area. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I know this place. It's like kind of like, I forgot what it's called, but I know Megan Places, talked about it in her videos. This is so cool. It's like a pet playroom, kind of. Wow, I love this place. It's so cute. I'm gonna make this in my house. Do you guys see how cheap it's not even that expensive. Like, y'all, look at this. That is so cute. You guys, this is so cute. How did she make stairs that go down like that? I don't know how she did that. But under here is the pool. This place had a pool. But now it doesn't. And there's like this super cool TV and like another lounge area. And a fireplace that is so cute. I keep saying, if you can count how many times I say this is so cute, like you guys, I'm gonna do something, really. Look at these stairs that lead down to the pool. I was like, where is the pool? But these stairs lead down to the pool. My gosh, this is so cool. I don't really know what I can like. I've never seen a build hack this good. Oh my god. This is so cool. This is the best build hack I've ever seen in my entire life. Out of all of these, I'm going to have to choose a favorite. I'm going to have to say, it's really hard. Okay, you guys, I already know what I'm going to say. This art gallery is my favorite. Just the art gallery is the best. It's my favorite. It's my favorite. I love it. I love it so much. I want to do something like this in my house. It's so cool. I love it. I love it so much. But if you guys enjoyed, make sure to subscribe down below and also turn on post notifications. Also, don't forget to go subscribe to my main channel called It's Me Caleb, which is linked in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!